Since Saturday, 3 people have been killed and hundreds evacuated their homes after a large ocean swell reached the Pacific coast from Mexico to Chile, with waves recorded reaching up to 10 meters high.
5 people have died following dangerous storms in the Australian state of Queensland. More than 36 centimetres of rain fell when the storm hit on Friday, most of that falling in just 3 hours.
Thursday's 4.0 magnitude, the highest ever recorded in North Texas.
It was scary. Me and my son, both of our hands were shaking. We had butterflies in our stomach.
The National Weather Service says at least 50 tornadoes were reported, spread across more than 460 miles from Oklahoma to Nebraska. Bridge Creek, Oklahoma was one of the hardest hit towns. More than 1,500 homes and farms damaged or destroyed.
Some places got 5 to 8 inches of rain.
For the first time ever, the National Weather Service issued that flash flood emergency for the Oklahoma City metro area.
Knoll is lashing the northern Philippines with sustained winds of 160 miles per hour. Forecasts call for as much as 20 inches of rain in 2 days.
extreme weather now from the Rockies to the East Coast, making a mess for millions of people, from a rare May snowfall to dangerous flooding and tornadoes in the Midwest. The first named tropical storm of the season washes ashore on the East Coast.
It's unusual to have a tropical storm so early in the year.
The tornado outbreak deadly already, at least 5 dead, and now the search for the missing tonight.
Over 140 tornado reports since the outbreak began.
There goes the school! There goes the school!
And this was the scene in Lake City, Iowa. Sunday evening, a tornado tore through the South Central Calhoun High School while 100 people were attending an award ceremony inside.
Tornado turns deadly in Cisco. 1 person dead, another critically hurt.
Van, Texas, hit so hard by tornadoes overnight. 10 people still missing. Local reports of multiple fatalities.
We're under a flash flood watch now for another system coming into Texas, as if they haven't had enough rain.
Flooding in Texas, where the National Guard sent helicopters to airlift people from rural areas in the northern part of the state that had become inundated.
That's pretty amazing.
I don't even know how to describe it.
The city says it started as a sinkhole, then turned into a landslide, severing underground sewer and water lines as it crumbled.
Meanwhile, the Colorado foothills experienced snow in May. This winter storm in spring caused slick roads and several accidents, and in lower-lying areas, there were flash floods. Western parts of South Dakota also got snow, while the eastern part of that state experienced a tornado.
बिरलै भोग्नु पर्ने
Special being व्यवस्थापित
This is probably okay. Let's.
The United States Geological Survey says a new earthquake of 7.4 magnitude has struck between Kathmandu and Mount Everest. The quake comes less than 3 weeks after the impoverished country was devastated by a 7.8 magnitude quake, which killed at least 8,000 people and injured more than 17,800. It was felt as far apart as New Delhi and Dhaka, the capital of Bangladesh.
कस्तो
Spain is in the midst of one of the worst spring heat waves of the last decades, with temperatures reaching up to 40 degrees Celsius in the south and on the Mediterranean coast.
flooding in California overnight. Heavy rain pounding San Diego and Fresno, triggering mudslides, forcing some evacuations, and more than 20 million Americans in the path of that severe weather right now.
Look at this. This is out of Los Angeles. About 3/4 of an inch of rain there. That is a record setter. Matter of fact, blew out the old record by 2,000%.
Smoke could be seen 10 miles away, and flames roared more than 50 feet in the air and took down power lines. That was the result of lightning striking 10 battery tanks filled with oil and salt water near Benketti.
We've seen several lightning strike around us, just being here in the last 5 minutes or so. Oh, there it is. Did y'all see that? Lightning that's been striking right near that area over and over again.